solve x squared plus 4x minus 8 equals 0 by completing the square. So this is x squared plus 4x minus 8 equals 0. So the first thing to do is we're going to transpose the constant, which is negative 8, to the right. So may mo siyang x squared plus 4x equals 8. Then after that, we're going to obtain the new constant sa left side. Kung pilay constant sa left side mo, na itong i-plus sa right side. So may mo siyang x squared plus 4x, then plus the blank, ngitaon pa naman nato na unya, equals 8 plus blank. So how are we going to obtain the constant? So the first thing to do is we're going to identify the coefficient of the middle term sa left side, which is 4. So we're going to put parenthesis here, then 4 over 2 squared, then diripod 4 over 2 squared, then x squared plus 4x, then plus, so 4 over 2, that is 2 squared, that is 4, equals 8 plus 4. Then we're going to copy again, x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 12. So ato ning ipormaho ning perfect square trinomial to sum of to sum of squares, no? Yung factored form, yung sum of squares. So since puro siya plus ibutang, then we're going to square root the first and square root the last term to obtain this 2. So the square root of x squared is x. The square root of 4, that is 2, then squared. So to check kung sakto pa, so first square the first term, x squared, that is x squared. Then multiply this 3 to obtain the middle term, x times 2, that is 2x times 2, 4x. Then square the last term na nasod sa parenthesis, or square the second term, 2 squared equals 4. So sakto. So that is equals 12. Pagkaman, going back to extracting square roots ng method, so square root ning left, square root ning right, so it becomes x plus 2 equals plus minus square root of 12. So as you have noticed, ang square root of 12 is not a perfect square root. So walay number nga i-multiply siyang kagalingon, that the answer is 12. So again, ang 12 is not a perfect square root because walay number nga i-multiply siyang kagalingon nga magawas 12. Unlike sa 4, okay, square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Ang inana ba? Diba? So, but we can extract this 12, no, by factoring in such one factor is a perfect square root. Mo na ito ipagawas, ang dili na ito ma-extract nga usa ka factor, ato rang ipabilin sa square root nga sign or sa radical sign, sa sud sa radical sign. Okay, so copy the x plus 2 equals plus minus the square root of, so ang perfect good nga factor, no, that fits for 12 is 4 times 3 because 4 is a perfect square root. So ang kaning 3 pabilin siya sa square root. Okay, so copy again the x plus 2 equals plus minus square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 3, then split into 2. The first is x plus 2 equals 2 the square root of 3, so positive. The other one is negative. X plus 2 equals negative 2 the square root of 3. So the correct format, no, so first we're going to transpose. So dili maguna si 2 the square root of 3, no. Pwede man maguna si 2 the square root of 3 actually, but the correct format is we're going to write first the number, then after that katong may radicals. So mo na kung pasabot, x equals, so transpose ang 2 sa left, sa right, I mean, so that is negative 2, then plus 2 the square root of 3. So mo ni ang first answer, the first value of x. Then the other one, transpose na siya sa right, so x equals, una gyapon ang negative 2 minus 2 the square root of 3. So muna mo ang answer. So you have x equals negative 2 plus 2 the square root of 3 and negative 2 minus 2 the square root of 3. Okay?